Yo, yo, yo.
What is going on, my people?
Yes, sir. We back again. You know, this is What's Up People News. We talk about local, national, and international news. I'm your co-host, Frosty McNuggetts.
And I am the host with the most frosty Oreos.
Yeah, we back. We back.
We ain't never went nowhere.
We ain't even, no. Except maybe to work,
Right.
home, sleep. But
Poop. But we here.
we here. We back. As you can see, we have another lovely guest with us. It's going down. If you don't mind, you want to introduce yourself to our lovely audience and viewers?
Should I say my show name? Or?
So say your show. So say like you know how they do when they call you up, your first name, then the cool name and your last name. So it'll be boom, boom, boom.
Okay, my name is Monique, Frosty Vibes.
Chill.
Jacobs, representing my art studio, SOM Vibes Art Studio.
Yes, that's what it is. We have another Team Frosty member. You know, this is good.
With the
Frosty
good
vibes.
vibes.
Yeah, Frosty vibes. That's. Ooh, we have a lot.
We got a lot of people with Team Frosty.
You know, we deep.
You know what we need to do? We need to have an episode with just the whole Team Frosty. Everybody
Ooh,
That would be cool.
That would be epic.
That would be
cool.
a dope.
That would be
show.
epic. Yo, everybody out there, if y'all really want that, yo, put that in the comments. We want to know. I want that. That would be dope. We got a deep team. Y'all ain't messing with Team Frosty. Y'all can't. Y'all ain't cool enough. Yeah.
I'm part of it.
And we got. Come on.
Right.
Frosty Vibes, can't go wrong with good vibes.
Right? Right? You stay cool. That's what I'm talking about. You just stay cool. You know? So you wanna just jump right into the news real quick?
Yeah, let's just jump right into it. Let's get to it.
We gonna get to it. So one of the things that we wanted to talk about today, and if y'all haven't seen it, it's all over social media. TMZ's been reporting on it. I think I might even saw a quick little snippet on CNN when I was on there. But if you guys don't know, we're talking about Jesse. I'm sorry, Jesse Smollett. I
I'm not
butchered
sure.
his
Guy from
whole name.
Empire. I think his
He's
name
from
is
Empire, though. That's where
Jesse
he's
Smollett
known
or
for.
Jesse-
Slay or something like that.
Oh, I think it's French or something
I
like
don't
that.
know. But that
I'm
guy-
sorry for all his fans out there. I totally butchered his name. But if y'all didn't know, he was assaulted a couple nights ago, coming back from getting food, and
There's another hate crime happening.
another hate crime, you know, and allegedly, it was perpetrated by two Trump supporters. They were wearing Trump hats, Make America Great. They tied a noose around this man's neck in 2019, poured bleach on him, and said MAGA country.
That's crazy.
Now, again, all of this is alleged. We don't have any concrete facts other than the fact that this gentleman was assaulted. I heard they poured bleach on him.
That's what they said. That's what I heard too. And I think that's
So what was that
the
supposed
most.
to do?
Trying to make him
I
light
guess.
skinned, white, bleach him away.
That only works on shirts. It doesn't work on people. We're not stains. You know what I'm saying?
Like, come on.
To them, we're a stain.
Man, listen, we could be here all day talking about. Anyway, we won't get into it.
Yeah.
We on
There's
some
a lot
Frosty
to be said
vibes.
about
Everything
that.
is good right now.
Can I
Positivity.
hold on? Wait a minute. Can I just say something to that?
Go ahead.
All right. They say "Make America Great Again." What do they mean by that? Bringing slavery back to make it great again? Because this world was built on the backs of African slaves. You know what I'm saying? So is that what that means?
I think that's what he's trying to do is just go back into the good old days where everything was right because they had things done the way they wanted it and when they needed it, and they had the power to do that.
I mean, I just wanted to know.
No, and that's a very good question, and I guarantee you, you'll probably get a lot of different answers. But
I wonder if anyone can just comment and like share your thoughts on like what do you think, what makes America great again? Is it the slavery? Is it the good citizens of America just making it day to day, making America great by working, by becoming a people when it's supposed to be for the people? So is it that for the people, or is it slavery, or I'm not sure what it would be, what that would make America great again.
yeah, no, I mean, I think what, diversity, just having differences of opinion, being able to have open dialogue and have disagreements. You know what I'm saying? And
I think that's what we lack though, is communication in the world. Is people lack communication, they assume, make assumptions, and I think that's what creates the chaos, because they're already making assumptions about something, about what you had said or what you have done, without even like dissecting the situation. It's the big elephant in the room. That's what they see, that's what they know, and they just run with it.
not giving things context.
Exactly.
You know, it's nothing's really as black and white as some people will make you believe. You know, every situation there's some context, and without that context, all you have is opinion and was it conjecture, I think is the word. I don't know, but you just got opinions and BS. You know, and with that context, then you have an idea of what led to that, at least the thinking of the individual, whatever the situation may be. You know?
I think it's more of like, I think people are stuck on their opinions. Everybody feels entitled to have an opinion, like they have to have a say, and in some situations there is no say. It is what it is. And I think that's what people go off by, and I think it just starts from there. It's just, again, lack of communication within, verbally or body language, anything.
You know what make America great again? Bradley stores. Remember Bradley's?
I remember Bradley's.
They say not special brews.
Before it was,
Ooh.
after it turned into Kmart, right? Did Bradley turn into Kmart?
I don't know if it was. I don't know if it turned into a different franchise.
I don't know. That's where.
But
I
bring
think
it
it was
back.
around that time.
See, well, I don't really know, how far out it went, but I know it here in Boston on American Legion Highway. You know what I'm saying? Going to Bradley's. You know what I'm saying? Moms catch that 30 bus from Mattapan Square. Man, yo, we going to Bradley's. Like, bird.
Nice.
Now, I ain't gonna front. Before I got all hip and cool and stuff, all my gear, my sneakers and stuff used to come from there. I had these joints called Tony Zappinzellis.
Tony Zappinzelli?
Yo, word. I thought I was the fastest kid in the playground when I got them sneakers. Yeah, I used to be out. Nah, but that's not funny. That was painful.
It was painful.
Had Nikes and Adidas. I got on Tony Zappinzellis. Like, what the hell? What are those?
Man, these are the zaps, bro. These was hot right now.
Right.
No, I definitely had my moments
had
like
the
that.
Adidas cleats.
Wow.
Remember the Adidas? You know what I'm saying? My mom's one gave me no Adidas cleats. That's why I got the Tony Zappinzellis. They were cleats. I thought I was the fastest kid. Yo.
Love it.
It
love
worked though,
it.
right?
Right?
It worked. It works about the same, right?
Yeah, it did. It definitely did.
Right. But not to get sidetracked real quick from the first story, but big, shout out to him. Hopefully he has, recovery, speedy recovery, and they find the people that did it. Now the crazy part about this whole situation, I've been reading articles, and some of them say that the cops that are doing the investigation don't believe what he's saying, and that everything basically he made up, as far as the Trump supporters yelling MAGA country and pouring bleach on him. Like, they really believe this.
And with these
Like,
apps,
that's crazy.
It's like more and more is happening because of, who's in the White House. And ever since then, it's like all these crimes and different situations have been occurring because of what's,
Kind of like an uptick.
who's in the stand.
And I'm glad. Go ahead.
Speaking of that, you know what's crazy? This man has commuted not a lot of, but a few convictions of some people that some that have done some heinous stuff, like the cop that was raping the girl, and the dude, what was it, Arizona or something, and the sheriff that was in Arizona or something, he commuted it like.
Sheriff Arpaio?
Yeah. Now,
Yeah.
it's horrendous. Now, I seen a post of the girl who was basically trapped in like the sex ring, and the governor, I think it was, I want to say Alabama, they gave her like a life sentence, 145 years.
Oh, you're
She
talking
was
about
like 60.
Cynthia Brown.
It wasn't
The one
Cynthia
that
Brown?
killed her rapist?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
And that
yeah.
story is crazy. It's mind-boggling to me how someone can do jail time for trying to basically self-defense in a situation, and she's the one that gets put behind bars. I mean, the other person died, but it's like, that's just
But think of the situation that she was put in.
exactly.
She's 16. She's a minor. She just got, purchased. I don't like to use that word, but dude was like, yo, I want her. Money was exchanged, and now, how old is he? Like 34, 38, something, 38 years old or something like that. On a 16-year-old, and she was saying like he used to choke her out, and she used to pass out, and now she, like you said, self-defense. It's crazy. That's crazy.
I mean, kudos to her though. I mean, I'm glad that she got her sentence commuted and they let her go. I hate the fact that they put her on a 10-year parole along with that. You know what I'm saying? That's the part that's kind of backwards.
Yeah.
With the recidivism rate being what it is, it doesn't matter if it's here or anywhere else. Once you're a felon, you're a felon. You know what I'm saying? So that plays into a lot. And to give her a 10-year
Probation.
parole.
Oh, parole. Yeah.
A 10-year parole. That was just, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna help you, but not really.
Yeah. That's wild. That's wild.
But regardless of the fact, kudos to her. She earned a degree while she was incarcerated. She's going back to school to finish, I think, a master's or something like that, or bachelor's.
That's what's up.
Something like
I didn't know that. I didn't know she was going to school to get that. That's what's up.
That's actually incredible to have, be put in a situation and turn something bad into positive. So
Yeah,
that's
no.
really good for her.
Kudos to her. I hope she gets out and prospers in everything that she tries to do.
Right? Most definitely. So we're gonna move right along. So the second thing I want to talk about actually kind of ties into our guest, Frosty Vibes. And we've had topics like this. We actually did a 3-part series about mental health and starting that conversation. And so we actually want to kind of continue that and go down a different avenue. The last time we were talking about it, I talked about just different foods that affect the mind that can then turn into like a mental health situation. We talked about men's mental health, and we talked about ladies' mental health as well. And so we're going to continue that conversation, but like I said, we're going to go down a little different avenue, and just talk about it different ways that you can, I guess. Well, I'm gonna stop. Help me explain. Explain what's that different avenue that we're about to travel down.
Yeah, so the different avenue would be therapeutic ways to get through stress, to get into the right state of mind, which would be, for me, that I want to share to the public would be art and music, because art and music together is something that naturally is therapeutic to your mind, body, and soul.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what I bring into the studio that I will have soon. But my whole connection with mental health is bringing awareness to the public, because mental health is not just for people who have disabilities, but for normal people, your everyday people that work, that have a career, don't have a career. Any person can deal with stress, but it's how you handle stress that slips you into depression or slips you into a different mood or a different mind state, and that triggers a lot of things.
So we're gonna be talking about art. Before we start, real quick, I just want to do a big shout out. I should have just at the top of the show, but it was going so good. But I want to give a big shout out to Saw Art. She is a artist, painter, out of Atlanta, GA. Very talented, doing big things out there. Hopefully she's tuning in. If not, it's all right. She's gonna see it anyway. But big shout out to her. I actually told her to tune in because she does art. We got somebody here that does art, so I figured it'd be, something cool, a little connection from miles and states away. But big shout out to her again. Her Facebook page is Saw Art. I'll have a link on our business on the 323 page, hopefully tomorrow, so you can check out some of her artwork. She's done paintings for the mayor, the governor. She did one for, what's that black lady's name that ran for governor of Atlanta just this past cycle? I forgot her name. I'm so sorry, but she did paintings for her.
Well, that's what we just gonna say, the black lady.
The black lady. But yeah, check her out. We're here to support local artists across the state. Yeah, so when you guys get a chance, Saw Art, check out her page. She's doing big things now. Right back to Frosty Vibes. So you brought some artwork with you today.
So something that I do on my free time. This is my
I'll hold that for you.
elephant vibes.
Y'all see that? Y'all see that?
Basically what I do is abstract, which ties into the mind. I'm really just relieving stress by just freeing what I feel and what I'm thinking, and I just go along with the flow of,
Nice. Now, do you sell art too, or is it just more for like therapeutic reasons?
Therapeutic. It's all for therapeutic, all for just relieving the stress and resetting the mind frame.
Nice. So when you did this, what was the, if you don't mind, like what was the inspiration, or what was I guess you want? They can't. Yeah. You gotta pass it around.
Yeah. Share it around. So this, I think around this time, I was actually with my boyfriend. We were actually painting together, and it was just something fun. We were both just feeling good vibes together, and that's what came out.
I feel like Vanna White. Like, check that. Yes. But no, this is dope. So what else? You brought some more.
I did. This one is my throwing art. I actually just threw paint and just freestyled it out.
Nice. What's that? He's a famous painter from the 80s. Not Bob Ross. That's my guy. That's the Afro painter. Yeah. That's my guy. Nah. He was I think from New York, and
Raphael de la Ghetto.
Is that a real person?
No,
I'm about to be like, yeah, that was him. No, but it was this white gentleman, and I totally forgot his name. But I think like he used to do stuff like that, where he'd have maybe a 20-foot roll of paper, and he'd just roll it out, and he would just run up and down and just do all of that, like just not painting, just flick it.
Yeah, and just
and
see how
people
it goes.
was like, what are you doing? He's like, I'm painting. They're like, you're not painting. That's not painting. He was like, I'm painting. And then, like, no joke, after he passed all his paintings, he became an icon, like overnight. And I forgot his name. If y'all know who I'm talking about, all you art people out there, because I did post this on the art page, Boston Black artists, anybody, if y'all know who I'm talking about, that kind of did the spray thingy, let me know.
Throw paint.
Yeah, he just threw. Yeah, he did that. He was, and this is dope. Can y'all see that?
And everything I do
You
is
wanna pass
actually
that?
something that you'll experience at the studio.
Okay,
Different styles and different techniques of art you'll be able to experience freelancing.
Oh
no.
Wait, there we go.
There we go. Yep.
Bam. Bam.
So that's that one. That's my free willing paint.
No, that's dope. That's dope.
Get up
For the YouTubers?
That's dope.
That's dope.
Yeah, that's dope.
Thank you.
So, I see you have one more that you brought.
So this one is not by me though. This one is from my personal artist.
Oh.
My boyfriend, he's an artist. He's a graffiti artist. He's the one that actually inspired me to continue with my art.
No, that's what's up. And talk about that a little bit. What was, I guess, and you could talk about your boyfriend and that. So what kind of led up to, what was the starting point of saying, hey, you know, I want to draw or paint? Like, what was your inspiration from the jump?
Yeah, so I fell in love with art when I was in 6th grade.
Right.
We had an art class, and I just loved it. I have the best art teacher. Her name was Mrs. Johnson, back at the Curly Middle School.
What up,
Yeah,
Miss
she
J?
was the
Miss
best.
Johnson?
Not sure if she's there. I think she retired.
Oh.
But she was the best art teacher that I ever had. She acknowledged all my artwork, and she loved it. She was my #1 fan there. And then I went to cosmetology school after high school, and doing beauty was, you know, what I always wanted to do. Doing, you know, hair, makeup, that was my go-to. I did my own, but it wasn't my destiny. So when I met my boyfriend, we shared the same interest. He used to always draw and doodle, and he used to always just draw in his notebook, which is right here, that I would also like to share.
Yeah, definitely. Hey, this ain't, we ain't gonna get copy. He ain't gonna hit us with no copyright infringement, is he?
No.
Okay,
no,
cool. As
we're
long as we
gonna
don't get
do
hit.
he's
Yo,
for
check
sure.
that out. My
And
man
this
got
one's
skills.
Actually, I haven't posted this one on any social media yet. This
Hold
one's
that up for your
actually new.
viewers. Oh, we about to see some exclusive
And
stuff.
so, just that one, sir.
Oh,
Just-
that's
I'll show you
exclusive
another
right
one.
there.
Yeah, that one's exclusive. Has not been posted.
Y'all lucky. See, y'all
Y'all get that.
y'all
Get
come
that
to
new
the
news.
show and get new. Oh,
Yes. And so this is actually one of my favorites that he done. We called it the Alien Invasion.
oh, okay.
That's my favorite. This one is actually posted
This
on all
is-
social media.
I'm
You'll
gonna get a
find
little
this one.
closer. This is a little black and white, just some pencil. Y'all see that?
So y'all actually see
Check that out.
mostly all his artwork will be displayed on all my social media. 'Cause
There
I
it
love his
is.
artwork.
Very,
And he goes by the name of
all the
Jem.
tubers. I'm sorry, I'm all in the way. Y'all see that? Y'all see me. I know that, but y'all see that? Okay. You wanna pass that along?
Saying.
This is popcorn art. We show art, then we pass it. It's popcorn, like popcorn reading. Was I the only one that did popcorn reading growing up?
No, I did that.
Y'all
I
did popcorn?
I don't know what that is.
Popcorn reading, for everybody who don't know,
I don't know what that is.
popcorn reading is somebody will read the first maybe like 2-3 sentences.
Yep.
And when you get to that period,
Someone else will go.
some random person has to pick up.
Pick up where
That's
you
what
left
that was
off.
called?
Yeah.
And that's how the teacher knows if you're paying attention or not.
Yep. There was so
And
many
you're like, wait, what? Where am I?
be like 2 pages ahead. Like, yeah, then Harry Potter. No, I'm playing. Let me stop. Anyway, so your boyfriend was your inspiration. Is
Yeah.
that gonna be? Will he be part of like helping out when you have the studio as far as
He'll
just
be
that?
there. He'll be there. He'll be one of my artists there.
Nice.
But he'll always be there because he's part of my life. So.
There it is. He ain't going nowhere.
Not going nowhere. So yeah, taken. Sorry.
There you go.
But yeah, but he inspires me every time he's drawing and doodling away, doing his graffiti. I love it. It
Nice.
inspires me. So.
That's
And I have my own. I just bought my own sketchbook. I didn't bring it because I just started. So.
that is powerful.
Thank you. Yes, I think
That's
deep.
powerful to draw inspiration from each other. That's powerful.
Literally and figuratively.
Right. Right.